Running one successful RCA is good. Embedding RCA as an organizational habit is transformational. The difference between organizations that improve continuously and those that fight the same fires repeatedly is this. The improving ones have made structured problem-solving part of how they work, not a special event, but a standard response. Here's how one manufacturer achieved this. They introduced a simple rule. Any defect or complaint recurring more than twice in a month triggers an RCA within 48 hours, assigned to the relevant team leader. They trained all team leaders in Whys and Fishbone. They built a shared problem log visible to the whole site. Within a year, recurring defects dropped by 62%. The habits were small: a trigger threshold, a time limit, a trained owner, a visible record. No grand transformation, just consistent practice. Your job after this course: apply these tools the next time a problem surfaces, and keep applying them. That's how RCA becomes part of the culture and part of yours.